So we've talked about Brisk It in the past, a autonomous, fully smart, pellet-fed smoker unit for your backyard that not only has recipes built into the system, a smart system to keep track of the cooking mechanisms in the device, but also to deliver the right amount of smoke needed for your recipes, but also an AI system that will change on the fly, offer you recipe suggestions, and also build you the right menu for the people that are going to be eating the meals. But now they've decided to take their models to the next level with a in-home unit device. The Neoma is an AI oven that never stops learning, has 8 fully automated cooking modes, and still has the really awesome AI menu and chef settings that the other outdoor smoker units enjoy. It is a really cool, low-profile device that'll take your kitchen to the next level. Now, we're a huge fan of the smokers. Hopefully one of these days we'll get a chance to try one of those out on our own, in our own backyard. But I like the idea of having a device from them inside your kitchen that does all the same really cool features, but a much smaller, much more multi-use setting. I hope you guys like that. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself as well if it fits your needs. And we will see you guys in our next CES video. Bye.